I'm RJ Gottlieb. I've been the driver of Big Red Camaro since 1987. Big Red is the fastest 69 Camaro in the world. With 2,000 horsepower, this beast is ready to dominate the road.
With the engine they wanted to use now damaged, Dave and the team have less than a week to get the car ready and transport it to Virginia City.
We had a decision to make. We either put the 598 in it and go up there and run it and take our chances with it, or we fix the 540. We decided to fix the 540. We took the motor out and we took it back to Larry Malacane. Stayed the weekend with Larry at his shop and had the thing tore all apart, figured out what we needed, had everything cleaned up and ready to go, put it in Tuesday night and left for Virginia City Wednesday afternoon.
I had never been to Virginia City, but upon getting there, wow, what a fabulous town.
We were greeted by just friendly people everywhere. It's just a neat place to bring the car and compete. It was just a very welcoming event.
Big Red is kind of an iconic car in our industry, and I've been around several other events where Big Red have been there, the Silver State Classic Challenge, the Optima Ultimate Streetcar Invitational, and it's great to have him here representing kind of that genre of vehicle and having him run the hill. It's a great time.
One issue with these open road races is whether or not the cars are street legal. It is a requirement oftentimes that they make to be able to enter the car.
The reason it has to be street legal is for the return road, not for the run up. You finish the run, you put on your left turn signal, you make a left on Highway 342, you come right down to the bottom and you can run again. So what do you need? You need a car that's registered, it's insured, and it's got street legal tires, DOT tires. That's it.
We didn't have insurance on the car, so I had to call my insurance agent and say, you know, we need to get insurance. And, you know, we started getting into the details, and she at one point said, hey, you know, is the car modified? And I had to say, it's absolutely bone stock. I said, yeah, bone stock, I said. At every race event, they always have a driver's meeting. And they always want to tell you about the dangers, tell you about the things you might not expect, you know, kind of generally prepare you for the course.
Welcome to this event. I hold the all-time record here at 3 minutes and 10 seconds. It takes years to get to that level. I want to get the gruesome details out of the way first. The year we set the record, we lost 2 people. And last year we lost a person.
People need to be aware of the consequences of this place. It could be a lot of fun, a lot of adventure. It could bring instant death.
This is a guy that really has driven the course a lot, knows the course, understands the course. So when a guy like that tells you, hey, you know, be careful out there, you know, you gotta treat that with respect.
If you haven't been nervous for the last few weeks leading up to this event, if you ate fine last night, if you don't have diarrhea, if you don't have dry mouth, if your heart's not racing, you should not be up here. Do not do this. The only thing we can do for your safety is tell you as much as we can tell you and show you all the different things, and then the rest of it is totally up to you. So if something happens, the rest of us have to live with the consequences.
After this driver's meeting with Amir, he puts us all in an RV and is going to pre-run the course. I can honestly tell you, I've never been in an RV that fast. And then on one turn, that was like, I guess, a particularly nasty one where they lost a lot of people. He actually stopped the RV. We got out and we talked about the intricacies of the turn, and, you know, it led to the demise of many drivers. I've done the driver's meeting, I've pre-driven the course. I'm feeling good. At this point, we're as ready as we're going to be, and it's time to get out there and run it.
It's day 1 of the 2-day event. The wait is over, and racers are anxious to start running the hill.
Good morning, everybody. Today's the day. The road is cold. Your tires are cold. Your brakes are cold, and it's your first run up the hill. Don't make it your last.
I hope we get into the 341 club. That's probably our goal for the weekend.
We came up with a 341 club, which is if you can run this in 3 minutes and 41 seconds or less, you're in the club.
To drive the 5.2-mile road at the posted speed limit of 25 miles per hour would take you over 12 minutes. But on race weekend, with no speed limit and no oncoming traffic, the fastest racers average nearly 90 miles per hour and cover the course in 3.5 minutes.
It doesn't matter what you're driving. If you can do it in 3 minutes and 41 seconds or less, you're going fast.
In the history of it, since the early 70s, only 61 guys have gotten into the club. It was something I really wanted to do for Big Red. Dave and Tim are happy with how the car's set up, and at this point, we're as ready as we're going to be, and it's time to get out there and run it. I have the chance to do this course over and over. On a good day, we could get 5, 6, 7 runs in. Yeah, I'm holding back, but I'm also trying to push it in places to try to discover how I want to drive it the next time.
He's still learning turns. He says he can see how other people can really get messed up and get in trouble real fast, and he's being cautious, which is a very, very good thing.
Unlike a track, which usually goes in some sort of a circle, clockwise or counterclockwise, however you run it, this road is curving around a mountain, so most of the turns are blind. And you've got to remember what's on the other side of each turn.
It is a little bit of a different mindset. You have to get more inside your own head and ask yourself, how fast do you want to be going? And how do you want the car to be handling? If I overdrive it, try to do too much right now, then I won't learn anything. So it's about calming down and learning the course. You get in that zone, you get comfortable. You start going fast, you start saying, hey, this isn't a problem. I'm not there to go slow, I'm feeling good. I think I can go faster. I'm there to push the edge. I'm just repeating to myself, 7 tenths, 7 tenths, 7 tenths. Don't go 100%, not in the beginning. If I feel good and I warm up to it, maybe, but you never want to be doing it in the beginning. If you feel that comfortable on your first run, then you're kidding yourself, and you shouldn't be feeling that comfortable.
It's like a Sunday drive.
Want more adrenaline-fueled action? Then hit the like, follow, and subscribe button. Well, come join us for heart-pounding thrills and high-speed excitement.